Hey, what's up guys, iMAT here, and today we have the Tozo T6 Wireless Earbuds. They come with many great features including wireless charging, and they also come in 6 amazing colors. In this video we're gonna be checking out all of its features, and we're also gonna be doing the calling test, music test and the gaming test, and in the end we're gonna be talking about its battery and all of its features. So before we start, if you're new here, a subscribe to the channel will be highly appreciated. So let's get right into it and talk about everything in the Tozo T6 Wireless Earbuds. So here's the box. The box looks really good. What I like about Tozo products is that not just the product, they also work really hard on the box of the product. It's such a small box, but it has a very nice finishing. After that, here we have the QR code, so you can scratch and scan this QR code to check the authenticity of the product. We have the serial number here. So now let's get the earbuds out. So here is the box first of all inside it, which has the user manual and the quick guide. After that, here we have another box. Inside it we get a packet and USB A to C cable to charge the earbuds, and inside this packet we get 5 ear tips of different sizes and style. In the end we get the Tozo T6 earbuds. So first of all we have a QR code on it, so you can scan this QR code to activate the 18-month warranty on the Tozo T6 earbuds. Let's go ahead and open them. The packaging is really premium, and here is the first look on the Tozo T6 case. So now let's go ahead and take a closer look on the earbuds. They are available in 6 colors. We have black, white, blue, rose gold, green and champagne color. So first of all, if you look at the case, on the front we have 4 LED lights, so when you will put it on charging, it will show the charging status and the battery percentage. We have a matte finish on the box, and on this side we have the USB-C charging port to charge the earbuds. So after that, if you open the case, first of all we have the serial number written here, then we get 2 earbuds inside it. Let's remove the stickers, and here's the first look on the earbuds, and in the end we have the magnetic charging points in the box. Now let's talk about the earbuds. So first of all, we have the initials written here for the left and right earbud. Then we have the matte finish here and shiny finish on this side. Here is the gesture area. Then here is the LED light. After that, here we get the microphone, and if we move to this side, we have the magnetic charging points here. We have the Tozo branding here, and here is the speaker area. If we remove the ear tips, here is how it looks. So the LED light has many functions. First of all, when you will put the earbuds inside the box, it will turn on the red light indicating that they are charging, and when you will get them out, the earbuds will start to blink red and blue light indicating that it is available for connection now. If we talk more about the design, then the Tozo T6 comes with IPX8 waterproof protection, ensuring they remain functional even when exposed to water and moisture. And now it's time to connect them with the smartphone. So for that, get the earbuds out of the case. Then on your smartphone you will see the Tozo T6 option. I would recommend you to go to the settings of the Bluetooth connection and select the device type as headphone. Specifying the type of device can ensure your headphone audio level measurements are accurate. After that, if you talk about the connection, with Bluetooth 5.3 and Origex 2.0 acoustic, Tozo T6 ensures a seamless connection, minimal delays and powerful bass response as deep as 16 Hz, all harmoniously blended with mids and trebles. And if you talk about the Bluetooth range, then Tozo T6 earbuds have a Bluetooth range of 10 meters. So once you move 10 meters away from the device, they will disconnect, but once you are back in the 10-meter area, they will reconnect automatically. And not just with Bluetooth, you can also connect Tozo T6 earbuds with the Tozo application. For that, tap on the add icon, and here you can see Tozo T6 are detected. So let me connect it, and now they are connected. So you can customize many things in the Tozo T6 earbuds. So first of all, in the application we have many EQ modes, so you can tap here, and after that there are 16 equalizer modes available here, and if you have your own taste, you can customize the values and save them. If I talk about myself, I would always go for the bass increase. After that, we have the settings icon here, and here you can customize the touch control of the earbuds. So by default, here is the left one, and you can tap once to play or pause the media, and after that you can double click on the earbuds to play the song from the beginning or play the previous media. You can triple click on it to activate Siri, and in the end you can press and hold on it to decrease the volume level, which is a great option in my opinion. And after that, here is the right earbud, and again you can tap once to play or pause the media on it. Then you can double click to play the next song or play the next media file. You can triple click on it to activate Siri once again, and you can press and hold on the right right earbud to increase the volume level, which is again a great option as most of the earbuds do not have the volume increase and volume decrease option. After that, we also have many options for calling. So you can press once on any of the earbud to accept the incoming call. After that, to reject the incoming call, you can press and hold on either of the earbuds for 2 seconds, and during an ongoing call, you can press and hold for 2 seconds to hang up the call. The Tozo T6 earbuds also receive OTA updates. Currently, it is running the latest firmware version, but if I talk about my Tozo HT2 headphones, then they have received 2 updates since I've received them. And now it is time to test the fit and check out the music, calling and gaming on the Tozo T6 earbuds. First of all, I'm gonna put them in my ears to check its fit. Here is the right one, and after that here is the left one. Currently I'm using the ear tips which came inside the box. I'm not using the extra ear tips which were included in the box. They might feel quite big for my ears, but they are perfectly fitting in the ears. I'm not afraid that they're gonna fall off from my ears. I really like the fit. It is comfortable, and according to the website, it comes with ergonomic design and won't hurt your ears. And now it's time for the music test. For that, I'm gonna take the help of Spotify and I'm gonna play Cradles. So let's start. And now it's time for the beat. Okay, that's awesome. It's too good for $20 earbuds. The bass is just next level. I'm really enjoying it. And also remember that I'm using the Bass Plus option from the Tozo application. It's just amazing. The voice is clear, the bass is really clear, sound is just too much enjoyable, and it has surely passed my music test. And now it's time for the calling test. For that, I'm gonna use my other device to call on this one, and we're gonna be testing the microphone of the Tozo T6 earbuds. And as you all remember, I'm gonna tap on either of the earbuds to accept the call, and the call has been accepted. I'm gonna put this device on speaker to test the microphone of the earbuds. Hi guys. Today we have Tozo T6 earbuds, and to be honest, the microphone is quite good. And as advertised, the Tozo T6 earbuds also come with environmental noise cancellation, so that the other person hears your voice crystal clear even if you are in a noisy area. So now we are done with the music and calling test, and now it's time for the gaming test. For that, I played Call of Duty on the device, and to be honest, my experience was quite good. I really enjoyed the background music on Call of Duty, and I could also hear the gunshots quite clearly, and the stereo music works quite well in the earbuds, because of which I could judge if the enemy was coming from the right or from the left. So I'm not a pro gamer, but considering my experience, the Tozo T6 earbuds also look quite good for gaming. Now we are done with all of the tests, and now it's time to talk about the battery life of the Tozo T6 earbuds. So first of all, the charging case comes with a 400 mAh of battery capacity, and there are 2 ways to charge it. So first of all, you can use the USB-C cable provided inside the box to charge the earbuds, and as advertised on the website, it takes around 2 hours to charge the earbuds using the USB-C cable. But that's not it. The Tozo T6 earbuds also support wireless charging, which is another great option, and it's truly hard to believe that in such a price range, they're also providing you with wireless charging. And now let's talk about the battery life of the earbuds. So each of the earbud comes with a 40 mAh of battery inside it, which means in total we have 80 mAh of battery capacity. So the case can charge both of the earbuds around 4 to 5 times, and with the charging case, both of the earbuds can give you a battery life of around 50 hours, and on a single charge and on 50% volume with the default settings, it can give you a music playback time of 12 hours on single charge. So the battery time is surely amazing on the Tozo T6 earbuds. So now we are done with pretty much everything about the Tozo T6 earbuds. In the end, let's talk about the pricing. It's available on AliExpress, Amazon, and also on the official website of Tozo. First of all, let's talk about their official website. So they come in 2 editions. First of all, we have the classic edition, which costs only $20.99, and they are currently on a 58% sale, and you will save $29. And by paying just $3 more, you can get the ergonomic with app edition Tozo T6 earbuds, and it will cost only $23.98. And again, you will get a 52% discount, saving you around $26.01. After that, if you check them on Amazon, then even on Amazon, they are available at the same price, $23.98 and $20.99. And in the end, if you are buying it from AliExpress, then they are priced at $21.50. But here it is nowhere mentioned that they can be connected with the application. It makes me think that they are the classic edition and not the ergonomic with app edition. So guys, this was all from today's video and from the Tozo T6 Wireless Earbuds. What do you think about it? To be honest, considering its price, I am really impressed by them. In just $20 to $24 price range, it comes with a 400 mAh battery capacity. It also comes with wireless charging, which has to be my favorite feature considering its price, because almost all of the brands that I've reviewed the earbuds for do not offer wireless charging in this price range. And they're also really good for music. In my opinion, the only thing missing in them is active noise cancellation, but considering its fit, they surely offer natural noise cancellation. If you would like to place an order, I'm gonna be leaving its link in the description box below, and I would really appreciate if you can use that link to purchase the earbuds. And let me know which color would you choose. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on the upcoming videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Until next time, this is iMAT. Peace.